Hi everyone, now let's talk about set data structure in Python. So far we have seen list and tuple data structure and about their explanation and examples. Now in this session we are going to discuss about set data structure. So now let's see here, set is mutable in nature. As we know, mutability and immutability concept, set data structure is mutable in nature. That means we can able to modify when we require, as per like when we require changes, then we can able to do in set data structure. So as per the client requirement, if need changes, then we can able to do that. That's why set data structure is called mutable object. And then set will not accept duplicate elements. List and tuple will accept duplicate elements, but set data structure will not allow duplicate elements. When client requires to store unique content or unique type of data, if you observe the data in company employee IDs, if you want to store, in manufacturing company product ID if you want to store, and in insurance company if you want to store like policy number or insurance number, or if you want in a banking industry if you want to store account number, so there you can store unique content in Python using set data structure. And then set will not accept indexing. That means and set will not accept slicing. So list and tuple will accept indexing and slicing, but here in set data structure, it will not accept indexing and slicing, because when we have unique content data in Python programming language, and those objects will not accept indexing and slicing, because indexing and slicing can be used for to retrieve the data very fastly using the index numbers. See, when we have large amount of data with duplicates, then we can use index. When we have less amount of data, we don't require to get in faster manner. So that's why in Python, set data structure will not allow indexing and slicing. And then set will accept homogeneous data and then heterogeneous data types. As we know, like tuple and then list, set also will accept homogeneous data where we can have same kind of data types like integer, whole content is integer, or whole data is bool, whatever. And heterogeneous means combination of data types we can also store in set data structure. And set will not have default sorting operations. If you are in list and tuple, we will have sorting operations here, but in set data structure default we don't have sorting operations. We have to do manual using sort method. So in the later practical sessions you will get to know how we can sort the data and using some sort functions in set data structure. And then we can store elements with flower brackets or curly braces with comma separated values. If we observe square brackets, we can store list data, and if you use parentheses, then you can store tuple data. And if you go curly braces, there we can store set data, set data structure data, where which we can have unique content. So this is all about set data structure. And the later classes we will be explaining about how this set data structure will be applicable in each and every task that we are doing in the project. Okay. So this is all about set data structure. In the next class, you will get practical session on the set data structure. Okay. So thank you so much. See you in the next class.